Our first order of business today is to learn how to make what's called a project pathway. A project pathway will actually help you with your file management, make sure you're saving things in the correct place. Year after year after year, that's a problem for lots of students. It's like putting something in the right folder, in the right location in your notebook or in a filing cabinet, only now we're doing it on the computer. You can see on my screen right here, I have projects listed. We're going to make one for bicycle. You already have one for default, I'm sure. You're going to make one for free design, and you're going to make one for ISOs. You do not need to make one. You may already have one for tutorials. And whichever project is checked is the one that is actually active. Today we're going to play around with bicycle, but first we're going to make project pathways for bicycle, free design, and ISOs. So I'm going to actually close this, and now we come up to projects right here, and click that icon or that button. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to make a new one. I'm going to give it some nonsense names. So when this screen comes up, you go to New, leave it as a single user project, say Next, and then you tell it the path name. I'm going to say Bicycle 2. And then you click the ... on the end. That's where you browse. And yours will be, you can click PC, and you're going to scroll down to your 9131 and then your IED folder. I'm just going to say mine's on the E drive and IED. And then I'm going to make a new folder that says Bicycle 2. And hit Enter. And when that is highlighted, then you say OK, and you can see the name of the project file is the same as the folder name. So it should say your 9131 or 6303 number, IED, bicycle, and then you say Finish. Then you're going to do it all over again. So I'll say I'm going to make a free design folder. So I go to New, Single User Project, Next. I'm going to say Free Design 2. You don't have to say 2 because you don't already have one. I'm going to say Browse, go to this PC, and I'm going to put mine in the E drive. Yours is your 9131 IED. Now, oh, wait a minute. I've already got a free design folder. So I could actually, if you've already got it, all you have to do is highlight it. Some of you may have it already, so you don't need to make a new folder. Then you would just say OK. And so I'm going to change that right here, and you would say Finish. And you're going to do that. I'm going to hit Cancel now so that I don't do it again. You need a bicycle folder, a free design folder, and an ISOs folder, and each one should read your 9131 or 6303 H drive, IED, and then that name, and the folder name should match the project name. When you want to change whatever the assignment is, what we're working on, you double click that, and you can say Done. And if you open up a new folder, then it's going to show you, oh, here I'm working in the ISOs folder. If I need to save it in a different place, I click the correct project, and it will automatically save your work in the correct location. Huge time saver, and much more secure for saving your data always.